Uno, show 'em no mercy. So it's basically, you know, the same thing Uno, but this one has uh, tougher penalties. It has you know, more strict rules, and you can see here, you know, this is what we want to see here. This is what we want to put down, you know, for the person that's next. You could do the reverse four, reverse, sorry, and then pick up four for that person as well. So this is going to be really fun game. It can get pretty intense. You see here, there's just a little bit of different rules. If you collect 25 cards or more out of the game, and you saw, you know, how easy it is. If someone puts two of these down and you have five already in your hand, you know, you're out of the game. So it gets pretty hard, but it's fun. You can see here it has +6, and then you can change the color. You can do these different ones right here. I forgot what these are. It's been a little bit since I played. Reverse, +4, you know, +10. So it's a little different, but it's really fun.